welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. In this today class, I am solving 2012 to 2020 chemistry solid state questions. In that, first question is December 12th, asked in December 12th. The crystal defect with equal number of cations and anion vacancies is known as, his answer is Schottky defect. Here, trick is SEFC, you have to remember. Schottky means, SE means in Schottky equal number of cations and anions are missing. In FC means in Frankel defect cations occupies interstitial positions. This one you have to remember. In zinc sulfide, zinc exhibit coordination number 4. Here the main thing is in zinc sulfide coordination number they asked 4:4, and also they may ask in the zinc's cations are at alternative tetrahedral voids and sulfide at the corners and face centers. This one also they may ask. The crystal structure diamond is less closely packed than that of cube because CC bonds are directional in nature. I have written directly answers because in short time we were discussing. Here they have asked the ratio of unit cell length of FCC to that of BCC. They have given their densities. As you know that density formula is Z into M by A cube into Na. Z is a unit cell length. For a simple cubic it is 1, BCC 2, FCC 4. Here for FCC Zm divided by A cube into Na, the A means volume. For FCC Z is 4, for BCC Z is 2. Given the density of both are same. If both are same, you have to equate this both two equations as equal. On solving, on cancellation, you will get 2 is equal to A cube by FCC divided by A cube by BCC. So the ratio of volume of FCC to that of BCC is 2. So for a unit cell length, A FCC by A BCC is, here volume ratio is 2, but A simply A means is unit cell length, FCC to that of BCC is 2 to the power of 1 by 3. See here, second question. In December 13, amorphous solids are supercooled liquids. Guys, this question asked in 2 times. In crystal, the atoms are located at the minimum potential energy. This is also direct knowledge based. The number of space group and space lattices in triclinic system are, here space group is 1, space lattice is space group is 2, space lattice is 1. And also they may ask, there are 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices and 230 space groups. That you have to remember. In triclinic, its space group is 2 and space lattice is 1. The position of Cl minus ions in NaCl structures. As you know that Cl minus are present at corners and centers of the faces. See here in red ink I have mentioned that Cl minus are present at the corners and also at the face centers of each face. See, CrO2 is a ferromagnetic material. Out of this, which alignment they will assign? I have written answers only. If they asked for antiferromagnetic, this one up and down, up and down, up and down, like this, you have to arrow mark you have to assign. For ferromagnetic in that, for ferromagnetic case, it's some arrow marks are upside, some arrow marks are downside. For this, that is paramagnetic. For ferromagnetic, for CrO2 is there na, all arrow marks are aligning upward direction. If they asked examples, see here, these are the examples. And also diamagnetic and paramagnetic. In diamagnetic case means all electrons are paired. In paramagnetic, at least one unpaired electron. And like this, as an examples also I given. See here, magnetic susceptibility versus temperature graph is there na. This you see, I will not explain. Here the primitive cubic lattice 111, these are HKL value they have given, Miller indices. Theta is changing from 22 to 20. What is the percentage of unit cell volume associated with the phase transition. As you know that Bragg equation is n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. HKL is 111. N lambda, n means first order, lambda 2. Here interplanar distance is d is equal to a divided by h square plus k square plus l square. Here I have to find 2, that's why I have taken a1. a1 is equal to n lambda root 3 2 into sine 22. This answer is 2.311 n lambda. If theta is 20, n lambda root 3 2 into sine 20, you will get 2.53 n lambda. So unit volume difference is a2 cube minus a1 cube. So on solving 3, you will get 3.89. So they have asked percentage increase in volume, means whatever change that is has occurred, 3.89 divided by original 12.34, you will get 31.52 percentage. If you is simple, how means in 12.34 it's a 16.23 giving. For 100 percentage it's giving how much? For 100 percentage it's giving 131.52. so change is 131.52 minus 100 is 31.52. like this also you can do simply. For this question, silver crystallization F66 extra, the second order diffraction angle of a beam X-ray, they have given values. For 111 plane of crystal is 30 degrees, so the unit cell length of the crystal is, so here n lambda is 2d sin theta, n is they have given second order, lambda is 1 angstrom they have given, 2 means here formula in 2 is there. For d, a by root of s square plus k square l square, HKL is 111. On substituting 1111 and sine 30, as you know that it's a 1 by 2. For HKL 111 becomes root 3, a divided by root 3. So a is equal to 2 root 3. 2 into root 3. Root 3 means you know that it's a 1.73 value. A is equal to 3.464 angstrom. Second question, which pair of ionic solids has the same Madelung constant? Here NaCl and MgO have same Madelung constant. C values here. Glass is a super cool liquid. It's asked in 2015. Again they asked. This question is in 2018 question. This question as asked. This is somewhat conceptual based. Is simple. Here they asked it's a body centered. See here cubes are present at body centered. They have asked what are the coordinates. If you assign for this, how to know means if I fix the position here as 0 0 0 from this place to this place, what is the distance, that coordinate distance is there, that is we have to find. If for this also this is fixed 0 0 0, but we have to find the other coordinate from this place to this place position. I will tell you simple. Here if you take this is full length, whole length is a, this is length is a by 2, means if you take is 1, this distance are half plus half, like this. From this I am moving from this to this is 1, right? If I take this phase, not I will take this place, this phase. Here from this phase its distance is half. So from this place its position is along x direction is if you move this like this, x direction means it's a half. Along y direction means along y direction like this now, if you move here also a half direction, it is in half direction because you see in this straight line only na, this one, this is half. Again in z direction means it has to move upward, it has to move upward means see here like this, in this position also it has moved half. So answer is 0 0 0 0 and half half half. So friends, in 2020 one question is asked that mathematical based, it's actually a wrong question. They have not given grace also. Friends, these are all 2012 to 2020 questions, and so I have solved. Please subscribe to my channel GPSTR CTT. Thank you.